Let's walk through master password settings, notification settings, and how to bypass security and uninstall the child app. From the left-hand drawer, go to the Settings menu. You can turn off the password protected settings, meaning the app will not ask you for a password every time you open the app. We add this functionality so that if the child takes your device, they should not be able to change the settings without your consent. You also have the ability to change the notification settings by turning it off as per your preference. You can also change the master password anytime. Finally, with Bypass Security, you can deactivate the ManageKit Child app so that you can go to your child's device and change any settings or even uninstall the app. The logout functionality is used if you want to log in to the parent app on any other device.